Okay. So, good evening sa inyong lahat. So, pasensya na kayo kung sa gabi po ako nag-a-announce, kasi ito yung pinakamaluwang ko na oras. Okay? So, anyway, I would like to announce to you regarding our Zizel tomorrow. Please attend our Zizel tomorrow. Meron pong kakaibang i-reveal na promo. Okay? Bago lang po kami nagkausap ng ating Gold International na si Ma'am Cynthia Aureliana, apat po kaming tinawagan kasi yun lang po ang medyo magkasya sa Messenger na hindi masyado crowded ang nasa Messenger na video call. Ako, si Ate Delia, si Ma'am Fatima, and Ma'am Cynthia, okay? But she's going to announce to the other leaders din po here in Cotabato City that tomorrow we should attend, okay? And this call is not only for the affiliates. This call also for those who have prospects. Ito, call ko rin po ito sa mga prospects ko. This is purposely for everyone, for everybody. Kasi there is a kind of promo na yung bang katulad ba noon naririnig natin yung mga investment, 'di ba? Na meron silang term na lock-in. Okay? So may lock-in. According to Ma'am Cynthia, kasi nagmeeting sila kanina na mga Gold Internationals and Platinum, okay, about this promo. Okay? So our company is actually doing everything for us to earn more para makaahon naman tayo sa ginhawa dahil mas marami pong mga affiliates na hindi pa nakaahon sa ginhawa or hindi pa maganda yung hanap buhay or yung mismong ating ginagalawan na hindi lahat meron. Okay? Yun. So, marami pa pong affiliate na naghihikahos. So, this time, our company is doing something which is a very very rare promo. Okay? Kasi according to Ma'am Cynthia, this is something about investment that there is a lock-in. I do not know kung tama bang pagkarinig ko, more than 1 year or hindi lang ako sigurado, but tomorrow is a big announcement, a very big announcement, which is very unusual in this kind of company. Okay? Na networking marketing. Hindi natin alam kung anong klaseng strategy, but pagkakataon natin ito. Baka dito na tayo makaahon sa ating kahirapan because it's an offer, okay, of the company na kung saan there's a big chance because bibigyan tayo ng mataas na panahon. Okay? And it will start this coming September, tomorrow. Okay? So, sa mga affiliates natin dyan, please give your time. Anyway, it's only a matter of time that you're going to render. Okay? You are going to give. Wala naman pong mawawala while doing your job or doing your things in the house or something, ano pang ginagawa ninyo, kung ano pong trabaho ninyo on that day, tomorrow. Just open your Zoom kasi sa totoo lang, this is very unique kind of promo. Okay? So talagang maybe the company is looking forward for the best of the affiliates because there's something to prepare. Okay? As much as possible siguro mga affiliates, at least magkaroon man lang ng pagkakataon ng chance na magkaroon tayo ng ating financial freedom. Okay? Isipin mo, ang sabi sa akin Ma'am Cynthia, a promotion that there is a what we call this, an investment that will lock in within a year or within more than a year that you are going to compensate or earn something 2.4 or 2.6 something, pero hindi lang ako sure, pero hindi rin siya sure kasi hindi masyado pang talagang ni-reveal lahat ng ating general manager. So tomorrow is the Zizel, while even Ma'am Elin Tandario is not here in the Philippines. He flew to US for maybe a very important meeting, and this is part of it siguro. So please join tomorrow. Invite your prospects please, kasi ako mismo, yung mga prospect ko na bibigyan ko nitong video is I'm going to invite them tomorrow at 10 a.m. So wala pang 10 a.m. dapat nandun na po tayo dahil baka mamaya magkaroon ng stampede mismo doon sa Zoom. Okay? And I think this time lahat po tayo magtatrabaho because we are going to try to achieve this chance. This is a very big chance. Isipin mo, ang tina-target ng ating company is to have this kind of earnings, which is 2 point something million in just a year. So, bakit naman hindi natin iti-take yung chance, 'di ba? So, maganda to dahil legit na legit, hindi mawawala. Okay? So please, tomorrow, give your time, give your precious time, because the company is going to give you a precious announcement to everyone. Okay? So bring your prospect tomorrow. Okay? Lahat ng mga affiliates na nakikinig ngayon dito sa aking video, please, wag niyo po itong isawalang bahala. Don't take it for granted, because this is a good opportunity that should not be missed. Okay? That should not be missed out. Okay? So please, invite your prospect. Ako, itong announcement na ito, not only for my affiliates, not only for the Crossline or the other teams under Atinais, okay? And under me, under Shang, of course, my prospect, I am inviting you to attend tomorrow 10 a.m. at the Zoom. So before 10 a.m. dapat nandyan na po tayo, at ibibigay ko po ang link tomorrow early as possible. Okay? And then you have to share this opportunity to others, because hindi lang po ito para sa atin, kundi para sa lahat, para po sa mamayan po ng Pilipino. Okay? So let's share the opportunity. Huwag natin ipagdamot. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat at great evening sa inyong lahat. God bless us all. Please invite and do not miss tomorrow. I even share this video to my husband, okay? And to everyone na kayang-kaya at pwedeng-pwedeng mag-umpisa sa ating investment that has a big chance to have an earnings of millions, okay? So legit, walang mawawala, because we are 100% legit. Okay? Yung ating pwedeng i-invest dito. So, yun lang po. At kung may kilala kayong kaya mag-invest, then it is now your chance. Okay? So, maraming salamat po. Magandang gabi ulit sa inyong lahat. God bless!